We spend a lot of money trying to protect ourselves and our families, but Consumer Reports says not everything's worth buying. It recently came up with 8 financial products and services that we don't need at all. In segment 2 tonight, 2 News anchor Erin Christy has the list and shares some cheaper, even free options.
Spending money to save money. Americans do it all the time. And in cases like health, car, and home insurance, Consumer Reports says it's worth it. But when are we throwing our money away?
We don't see any good reason for buying an extended warranty.
Although some extended warranties can be relatively inexpensive, sometimes 10 or 20 bucks, it adds up. Consumer Reports thinks a better option is saving the money, and if a gadget or your car needs repaired, you can pay to fix it. Also with cars, Consumer Reports says avoid collision coverage on older vehicles.
Identity theft services don't do much of anything for you that you can't do for yourself, and do it free and do it pretty easily.
The best way to protect your identity is free at annualcreditreport.com. Check regularly for anything out of the ordinary. Do you pay for cell phone insurance? Consumer Reports says some of the deductibles are so high that between that and the monthly charge for insurance, you could buy yourself a new phone. And that's not the only downside.
If you do need to file a claim, very often you'll get a refurbished phone or a different one from what you expected.
2 other insurance policies Consumer Reports suggests you avoid: credit card insurance and cancer insurance.
Most of us don't know, what health problems we might encounter. It's much, much better to put that money toward a good general medical policy that will cover you no matter what the problem is.
You can insure just about anything these days. Consumer Reports advice: insure against the big risks in life. When it comes to banks, Consumer Reports says load mutual funds are not worth your money, and don't pay for your checking account. There are still banks that offer free checking, so look for it. Start with local banks or consider joining a credit union. Erin Christy, 2 News works for you.